changing text color on Final Cut Pro is actually very easy, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add text to this video. So let's move this here. Now that we have this text, you always need to ensure that you choose the text for you to be able to change the text color. Now, once you choose the text, on the far right, it will be on this part at the default, but you're going to click on this button. And once you click on it, what you want to do is you want to hide everything else. Let's hide everything else. Now, if you see the 3D text option toggled on, you're going to have to toggle it off to see the face option. Else, if you see if the 3D option is on, the face option wouldn't show. Now once you toggle it off, you're going to go to the face option and you're going to show this, and here you're going to see color, and you're going to choose the color that you want. And as you can see, once you move your cursor around on the color for the preview will be changing. And once you decide on the color that you want to use, you click on it just once, and automatically the color will be updated on your preview screen. Now that's how to change text color on Final Cut Pro. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.